भारत ने पारंपरिक चिकित्सा पर होने वाले द्वितीय डब्ल्यूएचओ ग्लोबल समिट की तैयारियों की आधिकारिक शुरुआत कर दी है। ये सम्मेलन 17 से 19 दिसंबर 2025 तक राजधानी के भारत मंडपम में आयोजित होगा। आयुष मंत्रालय ने नेशनल मीडिया सेंटर में कर्टन रेजर कार्यक्रम आयोजित कर मुख्य विषयों और वैश्विक भागीदारी की जानकारी दी। केंद्रीय आयुष राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार प्रताप राव जाधव ने बताया कि 2023 में गुजरात में हुए पहले सफल सम्मेलन के बाद भारत दोबारा इस वैश्विक आयोजन की मेजबानी कर गर्व महसूस कर रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि इस वर्ष की थीम रिस्टोरिंग बैलेंस द साइंस एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ हेल्थ एंड वेल-बीइंग पारंपरिक चिकित्सा को मुख्य धारा में लाने के प्रयासों को गति देगी। 100 से अधिक देशों की भागीदारी की उम्मीद है। आयुष मंत्रालय सम्मेलन में अश्वगंधा पर विशेष कार्यक्रम भी आयोजित करेगा। जाधव ने कहा कि भारत आयुर्वेद, योग, सिद्धा, यूनानी और होम्योपैथी जैसे आयुष प्रणालियों को वैश्विक पहचान दिलाने में अग्रणी है। प्रधानमंत्री समापन समारोह में शामिल हो सकते हैं।
The world is moving forward. The world is moving forward faster than ever. Technology and innovation are advancing every day. But people everywhere are seeking something just as important: balance and well-being. In this global surge, India offers a bridge connecting ancient wisdom with modern science. Welcome to the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine. Welcome to India, proudly co-hosting this historic summit. Co-organized by the World Health Organization, together with its Global Traditional Medicine Center, Jamnagar, and the Ministry of Ayush, to foster international cooperation.
दुनिया के ज्यादा से ज्यादा देशों के एक्सपर्ट चिंतन करें, अपनी पद्धतियों को साझा करें।
For thousands of years, India's traditional systems, Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Sowa Rigpa, have supported harmony of body, mind, spirit, and nature. Today, this rich heritage is helping shape a new global movement. Countries and communities from Asia, Africa, Europe, the Americas, and the Pacific are joining together. Researchers, policymakers, innovators, industry leaders, and practitioners are coming forward to build stronger partnerships and shared solutions for the future of traditional medicine.
साथियों, आयुष के क्षेत्र में इन्वेस्टमेंट और इनोवेशन की संभावनाएं असीमित है।
With support from international institutions, including the World Health Organization, this platform strengthens cooperation and global action. As research expands, digital and AI technologies improve evidence and wellness markets grow. New opportunities are emerging for startups, investors, educators, and healthcare providers to develop trusted, evidence-based solutions that benefit people everywhere. With the vision of Ayush, India supports this global journey. Welcome to a new era of traditional medicine. The future begins here. Second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine at Bharat Mandapam, 17 to 19 December 2025.
It is indeed a moment of great pride for India that the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine will be held from 17 to 19 December 2025 at New Delhi. After the great success of the first summit hosted by India in 2023 in Gujarat, this second edition marks another significant milestone in our collective global efforts of mainstream traditional medicine for the health, happiness, and well-being of humanity. With vision of Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha, Sarve Santu Niramaya. Friends, this summit will bring together ministers, policymakers, global health leaders, researchers, industry experts, and practitioners from across the world. As you all may be aware, this summit carries the theme Restoring Balance, the Science and Practice of Health and Well-being. I am pleased to share that during the summit, the Ministry of Ayush will host a special side event dedicated to Ashwagandha, one of India's most renowned, potent and scientifically studied medicinal plant. Friends, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable PM Sri Narendra Modi ji, India today stands as a global leader in the traditional medicine sector. Our Ayush system, Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Sowa Rigpa and Homeopathy have not only served our people for centuries but have also emerged as trusted solution for holistic health worldwide. The establishment of the WHO Global Traditional Medicine Center in Jamnagar, Gujarat, in partnership with India is a living testament to this growing global confidence. You will be happy to know that in this summit we are expecting participation for over 100 countries, along with global experts, institutions, and industry partners who are shaping the future of healthcare. In this August gathering, I would like to acknowledge the tireless efforts of the Ministry of Ayush and the World Health Organization, especially Dr. Poonam Khetrapal, DG Senior Advisor on Traditional Medicine and former Regional Director, SERO, for their continuous support and commitment. To the media friends present here today, your role in informing the public, shaping awareness and strengthening trust in traditional medicine is really crucial. Today, through this curtain raiser, we officially begin the countdown to this summit. I am also happy to share with you all that we also expect the presence of our beloved and visionary Honorable Prime Minister of India in the closing ceremony. Friends, I am confident that the deliberation, collaboration, and outcomes emerging from this summit will guide the world towards a more holistic, inclusive, and sustainable